Mr. No, oh my dada.
Hi, sorry, just a quick interruption in this video, as a lot of you watch my YouTube videos but don't actually subscribe to me. So please go down below and subscribe, share, hit that post notification bell so you get notified when I do an upload, and join my family. And I really hope you enjoy this video. I'm gonna quit rambling and interrupting, and let's get on with the hair tips and tricks. This is going to be a voiceover video, so sorry for any background noise at the beginning, but I'm going to start with my routine on how I hydrate and revive my locks. To be honest, all of my routines have a baseline of water because that is your go-to H2O, that is your go-to hydration. So as you can see, I'm just putting my hands under the water in the tap, flicking off any excess water, and I am detangling my locks from the back to the front. And as I'm doing that, I'm also giving it moisture and hydration by using that water. As you can see, I'm making sure to get my roots and my ends. I want all of my hair to be moist. Ew, I hate that word, moist, gross.
But that's what will make your story lasting.
Here I'm just showing that there is a bit of frizz, so I just went to tidy that up. Quick and easy, wrap it around your sister locks. Now here is the before and the after. So as you can see, the after is just longer and what looks more alive, and the before is just dry and clumped together and is not a lock. It's just not a lock. This is what it looks like when it's done. It's quick, easy, and now you can go out the house. Now this is what I do when I have curly hair. I can also do this routine when I have straight hair, it doesn't really matter, but the reason I do it like this is because I'm starting with hydrating my hair from the roots and then hydrating the base of my hair, the body of my hair, when it's in the braids. If I do this when I take it out, then my hair can kind of drop and the curls disappear quicker. So that's why I'm focusing on the roots. But I'm also showing you products I use when I don't just want to use water. So this is a coconut root spray, and the next spray that I'm going to use, I'll show you in a minute, but I'm just massaging that into my hair as that promotes hair growth. I'm also slicking up any frizz with that product. I find it's quite good to just tame my frizz a little bit. As you can see, my hair had been retied here, so it's looking good. This is again a coconut oil spray for the body of my hair. It gives me some glow, it gives me some shine, and it really just helps hydrating the ends of my hair. So I do focus this on the ends of my hair as well, giving those little ringlets I have extra care and extra curl. Ain't that hair looking juicy? Yeah, we love those hair flips. I was just feeling my hair today, so had to give you some slow motion clips of my hair. Okay, now I've finished flexing. This is the final look. I always wear my hair down when it's curly, to be honest, because it's the best look. This is what I do when I've styled my hair, and when it's hydrated, just needs a quick on-the-go spritz. I take different size bottles with me everywhere, so during the day, if my hair's like dry and getting a bit needs some love, then I'll spray my hair with that water bottle. But like, that's literally it. That's it, and you can leave the house. This is a go-to quick 5-minute hydrate, and I am off. And look, oh, the thickness and the length is just hitting different. But yeah, this is how this look looks, and I'm obsessed. I just am. I love doing a half down when my hair is straighter. I just feel like it just suits my face better. Well, this is the final way I hydrate my hair and revive it. So this way is a little bit longer, but honestly, because it fits into your everyday routine, it's fine. So as you can hear, if I shut up, my hair was dry, like I'm ashamed. So I'm just detangling it again slowly and quickly, splitting it into 2 sides. And I like to use a continuous spray bottle when I do this because it's just quicker and drenches my hair faster. I am going to do all of my scalp, the body of my hair, the inside of my hair, the outside of my hair, the ends of my hair. I want you to drench your hair in this water, like absolutely drench your hair. Not to the point where it's dripping, but to the point where it's wet to touch, because we are going to be steaming our hair. I really want to buy a at-home steaming hair kit, but we'll do that when it's necessary, because I can just do this in the shower which is just quick and easy and follows my everyday routine, to be honest with you. I'm just turning the shower on to get the room heated, and this is where I'm going to show you I'm separating sections on my scalp, and I'm wetting that with the spray bottle. Then I'm going to put that in a quick bubble. It's just easier to get into a shower cap that way, and always start from the back to the front, because it's okay if a little bit of your front hairs are out, but you don't want the body of your hair wet. That's just going to be dripping everywhere. And just get in the shower, do your normal shower routine, and the steam and the heat from the shower will just steam your hair in that cap. Look at it, you can just tell it's hydrated, and it's soft and it's pillowy and it feels like pillows and cushions. Another slow-mo, because I just had to. I just had to. Again, there'll be a little bit of frizz. My hair is just loves to frizz, so I am working on a routine to maintain my frizz and just decrease the amount my hair frizzes. So when I get that perfect, I will show that to you guys. But this is what my hair is looking like. Yes. Now this is a quick style that I like to do with this hairstyle. I cut the granny pony. Don't ask me why. I just feel like because it's loose and I like to put it over my ears sometimes, that I kind of look like a granny, but it's cute. It's my go-to. So I'm showing you how I pull my hair in and make it slick. I'll show you on the other side in a minute. So I just like to put my hand through the hair bubble, grip the sides of my hair, pull it through and let go.
But that's what will make your story.
Then you'll see when I turn around, I'm just going to slide that hair bubble near the end of my hair just to loosen it up a bit. Then I'm going to pull out the sides, pull out the back, and as you'll see in a minute, I'm making it very loose so that hair can go over your ears. I did tuck it behind my ear in this one because I was just feeling a bit of a different style. But if bits fall out, just tuck it underneath, push it behind your ear. It just adds to that volume and that messy granny hairstyle. It just looks cute. It looks extra cute curly. I love it straight, it's quick, it's easy. And you can go out the house looking decent.
Then you hit them with the best.
I hope you enjoyed this video of me basically just rambling for 6 minutes, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!